Hello friends, have a nice day. Myself Professor of NEET Computer Tutorial Platform. Congratulate you to our YouTube video. Now I am going to discuss various important questions and also answers. Specially it is for IT students, computer students and interviewers. So many very important questions and answers are there in this video. You have to check up to the end of this video and get the detailed information about the IT concept, computer based questions. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe, share and like our channel so that the new video that I will upload, it will be notified to you. So let us come to the point. A piece of hardware that can be used to store digital information by computer called, जो physical device रे आमे डाटा स्टोर करते, इनफॉरमेशन स्टोर करते, कंप्यूटर रे इनफॉरमेशन स्टोर करते, ताकू कौन कहा जाए? दैट इज कॉल्ड एज स्टोरेज डिवाइस. एग्जांपल है HDD बा हार्ड डिस्क ड्राइव, SSD दैट इज सॉलिड स्टेट ड्राइव, पेन ड्राइव, CD दैट इज कॉम्पैक्ट डिस्क, DVD डिजिटल वीडियो डिस्क and floppy disk. Nowadays most probably floppy disk is not used because this is the oldest disk. Then the next point is, in which year the following devices invented and by which company? I told about HDD, SSD, pen drive, CD, DVD and floppy disk. Hard disk, it has been invented in the year of 1956 by International Business Machine team. Floppy disk, that I told you about, the oldest disk, that was invented in the year of 1967 by also International Business team, IBM team. CD, compact disk, this is in the year of 1982 by Philips and Sony company. DVD, it has been invented in the year of 1995 by Sony company, Panasonic company and Toshiba company. If you think about pen drive, then it has been developed in the year of 1998 by IBM or International Business Machine of America. The next point is, what is the difference between HDD and SSD? This is an amazing question. We are using hard disk drive, we are using solid state drive to store data permanently in computer field. But there is a great difference between that. What is that difference? Both the disks are called as a secondary storage media, but SSD stores data in flash memory, whereas HDD stores data in magnetic disk. This is the main difference, in form of a magnetic, in form of a flash memory. Flash drives are not magnetic storage. They do not use magnets to store data like HDD. So this is the major difference between HDD and SSD. Then the next point is, what is the technology of a flash drive? That I told you about flash drive. SSD store data in flash memory in the technique of a flash drive. What is that technology? It is a type of a non-volatile storage technology that does not require power to retain data. SSD reduce the cost per bit and increase maximum chip capacity. So that is why this SSD becomes faster than hard disk drive. What type of disk is floppy? I told you the floppy disk is the oldest disk, but what type of a disk was that? It is a magnetic disk memory. It has been invented by Alan Shugart of IBM, International Business Machine. This is the company, and Alan Shugart has invented this one in IBM company of America. What type of a disk is CD and DVD? I discussed about HDD, I discussed about SSD, I discussed about floppy disk. Now this is the point of a CD and a DVD. A CD and a DVD are digital optical disk. James T. Russell of America invented CD, whereas David Paul George and James Russell both invented DVD. The next point is, what type of a disk is hard disk? It is an electromechanical data storage device using magnetic storage. By the help of a magnet, it can store data. It was first developed by Reynold B. Johnson of IBM. Hard disk was first developed by Reynold B. Johnson of IBM. Then the next point is, what type of a disk is pen drive? If we think about pen drive, then what type of disk it is? Pen drive is USB flash drive. It is a plug and play portable storage device. We have to insert the pen drive into the USB port. So that is why it is called as a plug and play portable storage device, because we can take this pen drive from one place to another place so easily. So that is why it is called as a portable device. And it uses flash memory. It has been invented by Hua Ken Sing of China. Then the next point is, which one is faster in operation, SSD or HDD? Previously I told you also, SSD by solid state drive is normally faster than HDD. If we compare both these two disks, then SSD becomes faster than HDD, hard disk drive. Because hard disk drive use magnetically sensitive platters which are moved by a motor, whereas SSD uses a flash memory without any moving parts. Inside hard disk, there is the tracks and sectors in form of a ring, and it will be moved by platters. So in case of a reading data and writing data, it will take time. So that is why the operation of a HDD becomes slow in comparison with the SSD. But in case of a SSD, this is in form of a solid state. So that is why SSD application, operation of SSD becomes faster than hard disk drive. Then the next point is, why do we prefer DVD instead of a CD? This is a general question. आमे कहीं DVD को अधिक प्रिफर करते CD अपेक्षा? Why CD is going abolished from the market? Its real point is, DVD offers a higher storage capacity than compact disc. Compact disc अपेक्षा अधिक storage capacity होची कार DVD रो. Having the same dimension, एका देखिबा को एका साइज रो, but DVD offers a higher storage in comparison with the CD. So that is why DVD is preferable by the user, computer user. A standard single layer DVD can store up to 4.7 GB of data. In case of a dual layer DVD, it can store up to 8.5 GB of data. But in case of a CD, its capacity is only 700 MB and it contains 80 minutes of audio. So that is why we prefer DVD instead of a CD. The major difference is data storage capacity of both the discs. Then the next point is, why do most people use pen drive nowadays? आमे कहीं पेन ड्राइव टाको अधिक प्रिफर करूछन्ते. Pen drive is smaller, faster and having more storage capacity and more durable due to the lack of moving parts. They are also not harmful by surface scratch like CD. This is the very important point is, if a CD, the surface of a CD can be scratched, but the surface of a pen drive is not so harmful because there is no chance of a scratch. So that is why it is also a point. And the second point is, it is very smaller, it is faster in operation and having more capacity of a data storage. So that is why we prefer pen drive instead of a CD and a DVD. What is SD card and where it is used? Now you see, I have given the picture of SD card. सेटा कोठी आमे व्यवहार करंती. The full form of SD card is secure digital card. Secure digital card. It is a memory card. It is specially used in digital camera and portable devices. We load files, photos, audio, video into the SD card. Which company developed SD card? SD memory card को company develop करिछि? It has been developed by which company? SanDisk company, Panasonic company and Toshiba company. They have developed this disk, the memory card, in the year of 1999. What is maximum capacity of SD card? If we think about SD card capacity, maximum capacity, then it will become 2 GB, 2 gigabyte. But SD card also it is categorized into different types. SDHC, the secure digital high capacity, SDXC, secure digital extended capacity, SDUC, secure digital ultra capacity. In case of a secure digital high capacity, its data storage capacity can be up to 32 gigabyte. In case of a secure digital extended capacity, it can be up to 2 terabyte. In case of a secure digital ultra capacity, it can be up to 128 terabyte. But if you think about the normal capacity, then it is called as 2 GB, 2 gigabyte. Then the next question is, how fast is SDXC than SDHC memory card? Previously I told you its capacity also. Secure digital extended card it has a faster data transfer speed than secure digital high capacity. Secure digital high capacity can transfer up to 10 Mbps speed, but SDXC it can transfer maximum speed of 300 Mbps. So that is why SDXC is faster than SSC memory card. Then the next point is, what is the difference between CDR and CDRW? If you go to the market and purchase a CD, then you can check there is written CDR and CDRW. Just to check, this figure I have given here, the picture I have given here, CDR picture I have given, CDRW picture I have given here. CDR is compact disc once recordable. If you think about CDRW, it allow you to write the media multiple times. If you think about compact disc read only, then you can only write to the media once. केवल थरे मात्र से CD को हमें डाटा लिखि परिबा. CDR जोटा लिखा जाय था, we can write only once. थरे मात्र हमें जेतरे डाटा स्टोर करि परिबा. But in case of a CDRW, it will help us to write to the media multiple times. More than one time we can write data, and also we can delete from that disk. What are the components of a hard disk drive? Spindle is there, disk platter is there, actuator is there, actuator arm is there, and read write head is there for reading and writing data. These are the components of a hard disk drive. What is the main cause of a HDD damage? This is a very important question. But a hard disk कौन पाई damage हुए? So many causes are there, but out of a lots of a cause, the very important cause is overheating is the most common cause of a hard drive failure. जदि हार्ड ड्राइव टा ओवरहीटिंग हुए ताहले हार्ड ड्राइव फेलियर होबार बहुत चांस थाए. So that is why overheating is the most common cause of a hard drive failure. So we have to try not to overheat the hard drive while using computer. What is the process used to delete data from HDD called? Hard drive रू data permanently delete कले से process को हमें normally कौन कहती? Permanently we have to delete by software. That is called as a formatting. Formatting means in computer application we think two types. If you think about OS, then formatting means clean everything, clear everything, erase everything from the disk. That is called as formatting. But in case of MS Office, official application, documentation, if you think about formatting, then what is there? Formatting means modification, something to change, something to modify. That is called as formatting. Just like changing font, changing style, changing size, changing color, alignment of the paragraph. This is called as formatting. Which company is the largest manufacturer of a hard drive? If we think about hard drive company, then which one is the largest manufacturer? अधिक hard drive को company manufacturing करे? Then the correct answer is Seagate. Seagate is the largest manufacturer of a hard drive. What is AI as a new technology? AI means artificial intelligence. Nowadays in computer application you have heard of this term AI, artificial intelligence. What is this? Now you see the figure of AI I have given here. It is a computer system capable of performing complex tasks. The complex task can be conducted, can be performed by AI system. It is a computer system capable of performing complex tasks such as कौन से करे? Now reasoning is there, making decisions, solving problems, machine learning, cyber security, customer relationship management, internet searches, and personal assistants. These are also application of AI. And also we can say voice assistants, picture recognition for face unlocking in cell phones, and ML based financial fraud detection are also examples of AI software. What are different types of AI? जदि हमें आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस कथा कहिबा ताले केते प्रकार एटा रहउची. Normally 5 types are there. Reactive machine, limited memory machine, theory of mind, self awareness, super intelligent AI. These are the different types of AI